Usually I don't post. Usually I don't post, but I want the world to know. Time to pull the drop tops out. Summer nights, it's a vibe, yeah. We've been keeping it in the house. Netflix and chillin', I GDM'in', yeah.
Good morning, guys. My battery is low. I don't know why I like living on the edge, because tell me why I haven't charged my camera batteries in a while, but I have just like 3% left. Hey, so welcome back. See why it's good to have extra batteries for your Sony ZV-E10. But yeah, always have an extra battery or a couple of extra batteries. I have about 4 batteries. Yeah, one that came with the camera, and then I ordered 3 more. So yeah, it just makes creating a lot easier. Got a package. I feel like, I hope it's not the same guy that delivers to this house, because he's just, I feel like one day, if it's the same guy that delivers to this house, I feel like one day he'll just knock and be like, I need to know who this person is, because I receive a package or I place an order on Amazon, I want to say every single day. I feel like one day he's just gonna be like, I come here like every day. But I hope it's not the same person, because that would be so weird. But yeah, since I've been doing this daily content upload challenge, it means that I've been spending a lot more time in front of my screen. So I noticed it just got a bit too tiring. Like yesterday, was it yesterday or 2 days ago? So I decided to order for some frames. Hopefully they look good. I don't know. But I got two frames, cat-eyed frames. I'm going to show you guys what they look like. This is the package that it came in. I was thinking of doing a get ready with me, but I was in a bit of a hurry because I was already running late. So I just did like a quick glam, and it turned out looking good. Whenever I now intentionally put on the camera to record a get ready with me makeup video, it will now not look this good. So I haven't had breakfast, by the way. I'm starving, but I came here first because we have to get this out of the way. When I was in the shower this morning, I was regretting some decisions that I make. I'm like, why did I choose to do this? Like, what's the essence of doing this? Why didn't I just do it for 2 weeks? Why am I doing it for 1 month? And I was just thinking, like, we haven't even gone halfway. We've just gone like 30%. So, and 30% is an automatic fail. So at least we have to get to at least 75. Yeah. But yeah, we're just gonna keep pushing through regardless of what's going on. Most of the high production, high planning content, I'm pushing them till next month because I don't want to rush it, right? I actually want to take my time to create it. However, content like this, like vlogs, like makeup, like hair, like behind the scenes, like Q&A, like chit chats, things that require little to less planning, I will create that. Oh my gosh. Okay, let me do it. What am I doing? Okay, let's start over again. I was unboxing the glasses and now it looks so good. This is the brand. I'll leave the links down in the description box. Be sure to check it out if you're interested. But they are basically blue lights. They're supposed to help with like glaring and reflection, and just like if you're behind the screen every single time, you need this. This came in a pair of 2, and it's like a neutral clear, not really clear shade. This one is like a clear shade, but it has like a hue of like purple and like nude. I want to say like it's a nude clear shade. Look at that. It's so gorgeous. And then another one, again, this is black, and it feels a bit sturdy, and that's the thing I like about it. Like the frames are a bit sturdy. Look at it. The frames are a bit sturdy. Came with a bag, obviously for storing, and then the cloth for cleaning. But I'm gonna do a quick what was that? I'm gonna do a quick try on. Let me put on the gloss. Let me put on my gloss because my lips would be looking crusty and you guys will not say anything in the comment section. And I'll be like, Kelechi, put on some gloss. This is what it looks like. Oh, this is like, I feel like it looks cool. Let me know. Anyway, this is what this one looks like. What does it look like? The only way I would know what this looks like is if I look at myself in the mirror. Someone asked me in the comment section where my mirror is from. It's from Amazon. Amazon needs to sponsor me. I will get to that point. We will get there. But yeah, Amazon needs to sponsor me. Regardless, I'm a huge fan of Amazon. And this is what it looks like. I wish my hair was like all back so you guys could see like the actual look of it, but it's not bad. It looks good. Hi, my name is Kelechi. I'm just casually working, you know, on my laptop. It's gonna give me a serious sexy look. Let me try the other one. This one will give a more classic look. Ooh, but this is what this black one looks like. Immediately I could tell that I like the black one. Like, it's more obvious. That's what I'm looking for. But yeah, boom, 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 boom. Come on. So where our eyes are protected, I can only hope to be wearing this consistently and frequently. So today, obviously we're filming this video. I had 4 videos that I wanted to film today. I had like a video about lenses, the ones that I recommend based on any type of content you're creating, and I wanted to do like I wanted it to be very practical. So when I talk about the lens, I will show the functionality of the lens, how to use it, where to use it, who it's for, blah blah blah. But like I said, this one is like high production because it will require me to move my equipment from here to downstairs, maybe even outside, so we can see like what the lens actually looks like. And that one takes a lot of planning and it takes a lot of behind the scenes work. And we don't have that time. Oh, this is making me look serious. I need a pen so I can like hold it and be doing like this. Don't take me serious. Okay, so that one's that. I'll leave this one till, like I said, so maybe I'll film this next month. Another one I wanted to do is a content idea video. It's all about like community, right? So I was going through my content a couple of days ago and like it's been hard commenting, replying comments, and also editing and filming. Like, it's a cycle for me. I spend most of my time editing, by the way. And yeah, so while I was going through trying to reply comments, I'm like, oh, I saw some amazing comments from you guys, and in the comment were like amazing content ideas, and I'm like, wait, like I think I've filmed a video about this before, but I want to film it again just to remind people that, you know, YouTube is about building a community, building an audience, building a space where people with like minds can meet and chill and interact and engage. And that comment section is a gold mine. I need to revisit that. You know, I saw a lot of questions. So what I wanted to do is to kind of show you guys the behind the scenes, how to find the questions and how to use them to plan and forecast. Because the thing is, if one person is asking for something, or if 2 people are asking for something in your community, it means that it's a thing of demand. And if you can fulfill that, better for you. Another one I want to film is a get nighttime routine. Then I also wanted to film a chit-chatty video like I'm filming right now, but more authentic. We'll just talk about like insecurities, about like struggles. And I actually wanted to film that in here, right? In here. So this sofa was in my office previously. This would be like I want to create like a very cozy, let me put you guys here. So yeah, I was thinking I would do another video on here. Like, isn't this cute? But that's an idea. I felt it would be like a cute, cozy corner. Cozy corner. Okay. I think about that. Cozy corner with K. Ooh, I like the sound of that. Cozy corner with K. Let me write it down. Cozy. Should the cozy start from K or C? But I'm thinking like cozy, Kozy and K. KK. Just a cozy corner with K. See how we get creative over here. Yeah, cozy corner with K. KKK. Cozy K corner K with K. Yeah. Okay, back to what I'm filming today. I think I'm gonna start off with, let me see. I'm gonna come back. I wanna do some planning behind the scenes. I wanna create a template for the content ideas, and I want to use like 5-10 minutes to like plan out how I want it to look and it turn out as well. So I haven't eaten, and I feel like you know when your battery is dying, like when it's going, like your energy is like dropping. Why does your battery is dying? I feel like my operating system is slowly like slowing down, it's hanging. So I need something to like boost it up. I need to recharge. I need to eat something, you know, or drink something. I need a little bit of energy boost in my life right now. So I'm gonna go downstairs, grab something to eat. Days like this, I don't do any fancy breakfast because like we have to get into work, because right now it is 12:16 and I need to pick my kids up by 4 o'clock. So it means I have less than 4 hours to create 3 videos. Actually 2 videos, but that's enough time anyways. But yeah, I don't have time to waste. So you know those days where we do the fancy cooking and eating? Today is not one of those days. Today is an apple day. Because I don't have the strength to turn on any gas, cut anything. Stay away from me. I don't have time to wash plate this morning. So we're grabbing an apple and we're eating. I better film it up. But if you're watching this video, support me because I'm starving. Not starving anyways. But I'm doing this because I'm trying to show up for you and myself as well. Yeah. Oh, this is not gonna be better for me. I'm thinking I'm gonna be hungry. Like the hunger in me wants to eat pounded yam and egusi soup, honestly, you know. But the worker in me is like, girl, eat some bread and drink some Coke. So like, get back to work. So I think hey guys, you're like, what am I doing? I'm just pre-recording. Like I want to make sure that the audio is okay, and I also want to make sure that I like the way that I look, like the background, my hair, everything looks good. Hey guys. I like what it looks like, but I need to connect to my microphone and I need to let you guys go. I'll see you guys in like 1 hour. Okay, I just finished recording my first video. This is my first video, you guys. This is my first video, but officially this is my first video, right? I want to move over to the bedroom to kind of film the second video. I wasn't sure what I was going to film like for the second video, but I was going through my comment section. I was seeing some questions and I'm like, oh my god, this would be so nice. It'd be so nice to like answer your questions, but like visually, but like uncomfortably as well. So I'm going to be doing that. I'm going to try the set in there for the next like 30 minutes, see if it's going to work. If it is, I'll use it. If it's not, I'll come back here and then do it. Yeah. There's just something about having like hydrated lips. Oh. So, you guys take me serious? You take me serious sometimes? Oh my goodness. I don't know if you guys heard, but some things fell down. This is why I don't like moving. I like having a fixed set. Some things fell down. But thankfully they were not valuable. They were just like hand cream And so I need to figure out where I can plug this. Let's see what you have. I swear, if you ask me who sent me message, if you ask me why I'm doing this here, like ask me why I'm not stressing myself doing it here. I like to move things around and try things as well and see what we have going on. What I'm gonna do is to see what it looks like from this angle, right? Hopefully, you know, it makes sense. And then see also what it looks like on that chair, on the sofa. And then whichever one works out the best or looks the best is what we'll go for. Okay, so I went to quickly change, and the only thing I changed was my top, because you guys never see what goes down. What goes down right here. Oh, and this is what I have going on. I use my side stool from my office and I put it on. So I'm gonna sit at the edge here. I have my lights here acting as my main lights, and I have the natural lights kind of diffusing it so that way I don't have shadows on my face. In front of me, right here, I have my laptop acting as my viewfinder, and I have my camera acting as my camera. Okay, so you guys are going to stay here because you're doing this with me, duh. I think my laptop will have to show. This bed, I feel like I want to rest my back, so okay, we're making it happen in our bedroom. So if you have a bedroom, that's a good set, use it. Okay, see you soon. Okay, so initially I thought my legs will not show, but now they are showing. So okay, I like how I'm getting cozy and comfortable. I like how it looks. I like how the background looks. Isn't it also funny that we thought about this content idea today and we're filming it today? I don't know if we're gonna turn this into a new series, but like what I'm thinking of is how I'm showing up for myself, and I'm honestly like so proud. Just the fact that I'm not procrastinating and I'm actually doing it without like it, because usually I would have said I want to do it perfect. I want to have this, I want to have that, I want to, but like I'm like, you know what? I just want to just do it. And here we are. Hey guys, so I just wrapped up the first episode of Cozy Corner with Kay. I don't know if this video is gonna go up first or that video is gonna go up first, but either ways, I just finished filming. I think it was like a 30 minutes video, I'm not sure, but yeah, I'm gonna pack everything up, or maybe I'll leave it, I don't know. I'm gonna just clean up this space and clean up my office space, and I guess we'll call it a day, right? So yeah, I haven't had anything to eat today, by the way, and I've filmed about 3 videos already. I'm going to just go, I'm going to use like 30 minutes, clear everywhere up, reset this space, and then go and grab something to eat because I haven't eaten all day. And then just, I want to get here set and ready for filming content maybe tomorrow or next tomorrow. So that's been the gist for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you guys for engaging with all my videos. Bye guys.